Hello and what's up guys, I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today's video tutorial is about how you can change your account name. So let's suppose if I click on Windows and go to settings and my setting windows pop up. Here you can see that I have an account, a local account, and this is the account name, right? So how am I going to change this in Windows 10 or Windows 11? So basically you'll follow these basic steps and then you'll be able to change your account name. So basically what you need to do is the first one where you can change your account name is basically go to Control Panel. And your control panel will show up like this, or either it will show up like this. So basically you can change it here. So you can go, and then after that what you need to do is once you're on your control panel, you got to click on your user accounts. Once you click on user account, then you'll get this option called change your account name. So basically once you click here, you can say this is my account name, and I can just rename it to something new, right? So this is how you can change your user account name. If you click on change name, this will work. Now, what if this doesn't work for you? What are you going to do if this step isn't working for you? So for that, what you need to do is close your control panel, and after that, right click here on this PC icon. And after that, what you need to do is click on manage. Now, either you will get this option here, or you can press Windows plus X on a keyboard, and you'll get this option here, right? Or you can go here through this. Now, what we are actually interested in is we're going to right click and click on manage. And after that, what we're going to do is we're going to click on local users and groups. Click here, and after they go to users. Or you can use this diamond icon here next to the option to navigate, right? Go to user. And now you would see all the user that you have, all the user that you have on your PC. They are disabled or they are like enabled. So in both cases, you'll get all the username, right? So all the users and the username. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your username and click on rename. And simple as that, you can just rename your account, just like renaming a file. And then once you press enter, your account will be renamed. So this is pretty much it, how you rename your local account on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I post interesting videos like this on my channel, and see you in the next one. Peace.